Look at this question. I'm not going to read the answer or anything, but just look at the way this person framed this question. He said, I'm a person who believes in the existence of Allah. No matter how far I stray from Allah, I turn back to Him with humbleness. But I listen to classical music, and I think that it is the best thing in my life. It does not provoke desire. Rather, it helps me review myself and my mistakes. I feel that Islam is a backward religion when I hear those who say that all kinds of music are haram. Just look at this question. And the Shaykh tells him, you said it's the best thing in your life, and you didn't mention Allah, and you didn't mention the Quran, and you didn't say Islam was the best thing in your life. Look at how it takes over people's lives, people. And he says, it helps me review myself and my mistakes. So the Shaykh said to him, it didn't help you review this mistake when you wrote it. And he tells me, you feel Islam is a backward religion just because of this? So you see how much now it takes over people's lives and their hearts. And so they defend it and they tell you, well, it calms you down and it relaxes your nerves. So which calms you down and relaxes your nerves? That, or when you have a calamity, you listen to a music, or you run and you rush to Allah Azza wa Jal and you beg and you cry to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Didn't Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say in the Quran, الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَتَطْمَئِنُّ قُلُوبُهُمْ بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبِ. Those who believe and whose hearts find satisfaction in the remembrance of Allah. For without doubt in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find satisfaction. And as some scholars argue, if music really made you, a more refined person and more gentle and calms your nerves and so on and so forth, if it did soften the hearts, then the hearts of the musicians would be the best of hearts and their attitude and behavior would be the best. But what do we find as a reality? That they are the people who behave the worst. So that means it can't be something that gets you to behave better.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة